How to check if someone deactivated their Instagram account. Let's get started. If someone seems to have disappeared from Instagram and you're wondering if they have deactivated their account, there are a few ways to figure this out. When someone deactivates your Instagram account, it can be difficult to tell if they have blocked you or if they have left the platform altogether. In this guide, I'll show you how to check if someone has deactivated their Instagram account or if they have simply blocked you. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a different icon. Click on the search icon. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Type the person's username or name in the search bar. If their profile does not appear in the search results and you were previously able to find them, it's possible they have deactivated their account. However, if their account still exists, it's more likely you have been blocked. Next, what you can do is check direct messages. If you have had conversation with the person in the past, you can check your direct messages to see if their profile picture and information are still visible. Head over to the chat section, then open the conversation. If their profile picture is gone and it says Instagrammer instead of their name, this is a strong indication that they have deactivated their account. If you are still unsure whether the person has deactivated their account or blocked you, ask a mutual friend to search for their profile. If the friend can find the profile, it means they have blocked you. If the friend can't find the profile, it's likely the account has been deactivated or deleted. Determining if someone has deactivated their Instagram account can be tricky, but by using these methods outlined in this guide, such as searching their username, using another account, you can narrow down whether they have deactivated their account or blocked you. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.